Last time we asked, what even is money? Well, now it's time to ask, why does it actually matter? Where does money get its value? Where does money get its value? And no, it's not just because you can trade it for bananas. A long time ago, apes like us didn't use money. We just traded stuff like bananas for coconuts. Simple, right? But then things got weird. What if nobody wanted your banana? What if all they had were pine cones? That's when money was born. Something everyone agreed had value, even if it couldn't peel itself. At first, money was stuff like shiny rocks, shells, even big stone donuts, seriously. But today, most money is just paper, or even numbers on a screen, so why does it still work? Because we believe in it. Yup, money has value because we all agree it does, like a magic banana contract. Governments help too. They say, this paper is real, trust us. And we go, cool, can I buy snacks with it? So it's trust plus belief plus bananas equals value. Okay, not bananas, but you get the idea. But if that trust breaks, like if a country prints way too much money, uh-oh, banana inflation. That's when prices go up and money buys less, like one banana now costs 500 leaves, yikes. Remember, money is just a tool, like a banana peeler for your dreams. You decide what's valuable, whether it's coins, cash, or a really, really good banana. So spend wisely, save smartly, and never slip on the peels of temptation. Until next time, keep your coins shiny and your bananas even shinier.